Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. It's your boy Lawrence, and today we're going to go through a 5-minute deep breathing meditation exercise. So find a comfortable spot, seated with your back firmly against the wall, and you're going to place your hands on your knees or cup them softly in your lap. All we're doing is taking a slow, deep breath through the nose, holding it for 3 seconds, and then breathing out slowly through the mouth. As you take a deep breath, feel the breath and air moving through your nose, down into your belly, and then slowly up and through your mouth. So the reason we're talking about meditation and breathing is because a lot of people come to see me about sore neck and traps, and they can't find what the cause is. What I've found out is that a lot of people, when they take a deep breath in, they breathe high into their shoulders and into their chest. And if you keep practicing this for multiple hours a day, every day, your neck and shoulders are going to get very, very sore and very, very tired. So a quick 5-minute exercise every day will help to train your body to breathe into the tummy. Meditation is also shown to help decrease anxiety and help you calm down, and it helps to decrease pain as well. So all we're focusing on is a deep breath in through the nose, hold, and out through the mouth. I like to do this before I sleep because it calms me down and just lets me release all the tension through the day. So as you breathe out, just think about relaxing your shoulders and letting gravity pull your shoulders down as you breathe out. Deep breath in through the nose. Fill up the belly nice and big, and then breathe out slowly and feel your shoulders sag. At the same time, I use breathing techniques to help people with pain. So in this video, I'm having a very sore neck. So as I'm breathing in and out, I'm focusing on my breath and my energy going towards my neck. As I breathe in, I can focus and appreciate what my neck is feeling. As I breathe out, I focus on breathing the pain out. I find this works very well with people with chronic pain. By breathing and focusing on the pain, you will actually help to decrease the pain signal. Deep breath in, focusing on your pain, and breathing out and blowing all that pain out. If you feel your mind is wandering, just come back and focus on your breath. Focus on the air coming through your nose. feeling it in your stomach, and then slowly breathing out through your mouth, feeling the energy and breath. And as we're coming to the end of this practice, I want to bring you slowly back to the room. So start by wiggling your fingers and your toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for coming on this journey with me and spending some time. I hope you feel rested. I hope you get a good night's sleep. And I'll catch you guys next time. Love you.